Hello and welcome back to HUAWEI Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your speaker not working on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Let's begin. First, let's simply check our volume levels. We can do that by pressing either of the volume buttons. By default, we are increasing right now or decreasing the sound of media. So all the videos, all the games, everything you will basically see that is not notifications, calls, etc. We can also do that by going into settings and going into sounds and vibration. Here you can click this show more button and you have the same slider right here. If it's like this, you won't hear anything because your sound is muted. So you want to unmute the sound and increase the volume in order to hear something. But let's say you've already done that and you still have a problem with your speaker. What then? Well, you can clean it. Maybe there is some sort of debris, maybe there's just dust inside and that got really tense and your sound is just basically very bad. What do you want to do then? You want to clean it with some sort of soft brush. For the love of God, do not use anything metallic, like needles. Don't do that. Otherwise, you might simply damage your speaker and then you will have a problem with speaker not working. Trust me. After you have done that, there is also a simple solution and explanation. Maybe your sound is being rerouted not to your phone, but to, for example, Bluetooth headphones. Then you want to rule out all of these devices by simply disabling the Bluetooth. And now your phone is the one that's receiving audio right now. And lastly, we can simply check for software updates. There is a high possibility that you have encountered some sort of bug, and maybe the newest update has bug fixes that, well, fix your bug. You want to go into settings, scroll all the way down, system and updates, software update, and here we can check for newest system updates. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.